Hello kids and welcome back. Today we are going to look at another control and that is while repeat. So what does this while repeat means? I have already made a program here. While repeat means since it is at some point while it is doing something it should repeat that position. For example, if my x position is greater than 100, so if this is my x position is 100, so if it is beyond this point towards right, it is greater than 100. Okay, so if my x position is greater than 100, what should we do? It should change y by 100. It should go up, wait 1 second there and come back. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, let's see. And I am putting my panda over here. Okay, now let's play it. And it has gone up and it is just staying there. It is not moving forward. Why is that? Because if you see carefully in the while block there is a small arrow here. So this means in forever, if this small arrow means that after this all these three things it is going to move 10 step, next costume, if an edge bounce, and then it's going to repeat it, and it is repeating it forever. And in that we have another repeat. Okay, so when it is stuck here it is gone beyond 100, its x position is more than 100, then it is going to repeat this circle by itself. It is not going beyond that. Okay, so while I am clicking on it, let's see, I'm starting from here. Okay, it is just jumping there, it is not going back to these points. So what we have to do, we have to put here all these three things. Okay, let's say I want to put move 50 steps and next costume I want to do it 10 steps, same pace. Okay, so I have to put these three things here because now it is repeating this one, and when the x position becomes lesser than 100 it is going back to this position. Okay, now let's see, it is jumping 10 steps ahead every time, it's jumping and waiting there. Okay, now the x is becoming less than 100, x becomes more than 100, it is start jumping. Okay, so that's what the while you are doing something, while you are in a specific position, while your color is different, while you a sprite is different, while a costume is different, while you are in that position you should repeat all these steps here. That's what the while repeat condition control do. That's all for today. Bye bye now. See you in the next module.